it's a XL6. We installed the M-Tech back bumper. And we installed the high quality masculine leather seat cover. It's one of the very highest quality seat cover. There is no heat comes in this seat. It's a dual tone seat, black and beige we mixed. And the door pad also we installed, covered by masculine leather. And noodles mat, custom noodles mat installed, and full mat also. So door pad we worked. And the center part, it's a XL6 is a 6-seater. So customer need a in between one more seat also. So we did a custom seat. So now it's a XL6 to XL7 conversion. So it's a complete custom seat center part. You can just use it as a bottle holder and popcorn holder also. When the people are there, you can just do the straight. And it's not fixed, it's a custom one. You can move it also anywhere. It's not a fixed one. The back side also completely covered. The door pad also we worked.